to another episode of Student Meals. Today we're going to pimp up your hummus. This is not really a recipe, it's more a variation on normal hummus. Why am I saying this so weird? Hummus? So just by adding some ingredients you can make it your own and make it nice and summery. So that's what we're going to do today. We hope you enjoyed this episode. So the ingredients are some hummus, some sour cream, some chopped up cucumber, some chopped up red onion, some chopped up cherry tomatoes, some finely chopped feta cheese, a handful of chopped parsley, also some very finely chopped jalapenos, and optional some pepper and salt. The amounts really depend on how many of the ingredients you want to use in your hummus. So let's get started. Okay, for the first step we're going to add some sour cream to our hummus. I'm going to start with 2 teaspoons. You could also use Greek yogurt if you want a lighter flavor. I'm gonna give it a little taste. I'm gonna add 1 more teaspoon. Now next step is to season it with some pepper and salt. This is to taste. Mix it up again. Alrighty, let's move on to the decoration part. So take the plate or the bowl in which you want to serve your hummus and start off by spreading the hummus all over it. So this is really purely for decoration purposes. You might as well just mix everything together in a bowl, but I'm going to do it this way. And now we're just going to add all of the ingredients. Cucumber, then some tomatoes, some feta cheese, carefully some jalapeno sprinkles, just here and there, some onion, and finally we're going to finish it off with our final ingredient, some chopped parsley. And here we have the final result. Just serve it up with some crisps on the side or some toasted bread and it's ready to be served. Time for a test! Let's try and grab some of everything. Cheers! I love the combination of all of the flavors because you have the softness of the hummus and then the cheese I really like, and also the fresh ingredients like the cucumber and the tomatoes. So I think this is just a really nice way to eat your hummus, to pimp it up a bit and to make it your own and to make it also nice and summery. So thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!